Guys, in this video, all right, if you look at chat right now, in the last video, this is the trade we took the last video. So if you watch the last video, you see that this is the setup would analyze on the V25 index, and boom, the market has come to our TP, and we see that market will come down to our sell side liquidity as our take profit, and then as you can see right now, it's actually taking our take profit already. So let me show you guys on the ally group, because we posted the chart, we posted a trade on the ally group, and then that's the trade we took there. And right now I'm seeing something else right now, because there has been a break. So let us check on the ally group and see what happened right there, because actually I sent this trade to the ally group right now. Okay, okay, so this is it, guys. Look at it. This is the trade we took here on the ally group, and I showed you guys this thing. So we entered the market at that point, and our take profit should be the sell side liquidity right here. That is our TP. Then here is our stop loss right there, and as you can see right now, in this place we have our TP has been smashed right now. All right, that has been hit here. But then we enter. I tell them to enter again. Like right now, we see that I say we should sell the recent stuff again, even though we just hit at take profit. But if you look on the chart here, you see that I have something right here. I have something in that chart. But let me show you guys on the system. All right, now back to our chart right now. Back to our chart. Now, this is a one hour time frame, and our take profit has been hit. But then check. Let us now check. Let's go to 4 hour time frame. I think there's something I saw there that made me to send the trade again, so that they can take the trade again. So now here on the 4 hour time frame, there's something that's happening right here. There's something that's happening right here that I want to actually emphasize on real quick, real quick. All right. There's something I'm seeing here that happening that I want us to emphasize on real quick. All right. On the 4 hour time frame, let me zoom this in closely. Let me zoom it down like this, like this. Now, right about here, I see that the market is going down right here, right? It's actually going down all this time. Now, right here we have a liquidity right here. Look at this one. This is actually a liquidity that have been grabbed right here. So if you look closely, that is equal highs that was cleared away by this particular candlestick, by this candlestick right here. So this candlestick has cleared it away. So meaning that this area here is our interest, our point of interest, right? That area there is our point of interest, because and then that is the first market that break above, right? So now the market still pushed down. It still came down and broke out this one too. It came down and break out of this other liquidity here too, the sell side liquidity. It broke the buy side liquidity and the sell side liquidity. And this is actually power time frame. Remember, we are doing on a power time frame right now. All right. So now that means this is the order block. The candlestick that caused this break is the order block. All this candlestick here is the order block. All these zones here, they are order block, right? Right? They are that is our interest. Okay, that's our interest. Okay. Now what happened? Price have been going up and down here, forming all these particular levels here. If you see that we have a level here, right? We have a level here, right? That's a level. We have a level. We have another level here. Okay, it formed here. Okay, then we you see another one that came here. All these things are highs, are lower highs that is forming, making it a downtrend. But then markets want to do something crazy. You want to clear all liquidities, and then before it push to the downside. And what happened here? Markets had to clear all this high. It cleared this one, clear this one, clear this one. Then I not expect market to clear this one, because this is called protected high. The high here, I call it a protected high. So if market should break that point, like I said in the last video, then that means we are going for a sell, a buy rather. But then why they did not break it, and then it is going down like this, right? In the next 12 minutes, in the next 12 minutes now, this candlestick will close on the 4 time frame, and that will be a very bullish candlestick, a very bearish and engulfing candlestick that actually verify that the sell, the longer sell is valid. Now, what do we expect? We want market to actually come down. So right now, we are in the market. We are entering the market right about now. Just that place we are entering the market, and then where we are taking profit is the sell side liquidity. This is the first TP we are going for. All right, that is our first TP. Then where is stop loss? Just above the high, above that high. So the stop is the we are that's where we are going for. All right. So why are we going for this place? All right. This is the highest the recent zone that has formed. Right. This is the most recent low that we have seen so far. So price has to price actually have to come down to this point, even though it will take some time. Yeah, it will take some time before market can get down to this point. But we want market to come down to this point, right? It's very important that market should come down to that point, right? Then, if possibility, the market should, if here is taken out, then we should have a stronger down, a stronger down movement, like a very strong down movement downside. So guys, that is just that about that. And currently we are in this trade right now. We are currently in this trade right now. So if you or you can join the LI group right now also, so you can follow us. I'll be taking this trade anytime we are in this trade, right? So right now we are currently on this particular market, and we are going for and we are going to need to hold it till when we can, when the entry until the entry invalidates. But right now, the entry is still valid and very, very effective. So I will send it now to the free Telegram channel. So if you also want to be getting the so if you also want to be getting this trade like this, you can also join the Telegram channel. So you can also be getting this is actually free Telegram channel. That the links to this particular place is in this video description. So you can join the Telegram channel so that you can be getting free signals as long as days like this. All right, and then you can join the LI group where we post signal every single time. But on this particular place, we don't post all the time, but with this signal, like you see now, I've sent this signal here because I know it's a long trade and people need to take gain on that, right? See that we are still on that 1,000 trade right about there, and it's still doing very, very well, right? Very, very well. So we are not afraid if the market should pull back, because of course it should pull back a little bit, because it had to come and test back that broken zone. You see, it's actually broken up the zone already. So there is a tendency that it will come a little bit down to test that zone that has been broken. So this zone here, there is a tendency it will go down a little bit. Then let me do something like this. Maybe like this. It can do something like this. Come down like this, right? Reach this buy side liquidity. This one like this. Come down to that point. Maybe break it a little bit. Then come down to that zone and retest it. Then shoot down. So this is exactly what I'm expecting to happen for now in the market. All right. This is exactly what I'm expecting to happen right about in the market. Okay, so let us see if that will play out or not. All right, if you want to find out whether it happened or not, you can join the Telegram channel right about there, and then you will get updates on this trade if it's played out or not. Okay, so this is just me working based on liquidity base. All right, this is actually working based on liquidity. Okay, we are not there's nothing else to see here. We only use liquidity to catch this particular trade right now. We only, as I can see here, we only use the liquidity concept to catch this particular strategy, this particular trade right now. And then if you're also a trend line trader, you consider that we also have a chance to trade with a trend line right about here. Let me show you guys if how we can be able to trade this particular setup with trend line. Okay, it's easy. Let me assume that we don't know all the things that we already do now. We just want to trade the trend line. Okay, so first of all, we have our overall trend line, our inner trend line. So maybe somewhere here, these 2 points here, connect this point here, right? If you connect these two, point like this, we have internal trend line like this. So price already broke out. So enter those that enter with trend line should have been entered immediately the market break and close below that trend line. All right, but then we have an overall, we have a bigger trend line that price is currently retesting. I think here we have this particular trend line here. If I do this thing like this, you see, you see the overall trend line that price is going to be getting on is going to work on very soon. So this is the overall trend line right now. So price can tendency of price that is I'm talking about those that trade trend line regardless. So price can come to that trend line, go up and retest and come down. But then we are not trading trend line right here. We are trading liquidity based strategy right about now. So this is just for the basic. Maybe in the next video, we'll talk about more of trend line strategy and how to use them. But for today, we are working with a liquidity based strategy. And right now, this is a clear example of what we're talking about. This is a clear example of our liquidity strategy that we're talking about. Okay, so guys, this is just that about that, and you have seen it. The first entry we took on the yesterday of the last video, we are scalping just using break of buy liquidity. Then we target we target the next set of liquidity, and as you can see here, we have we have gotten that TP already. And then I did not check high time frame at that point, but right now, as the takeoff has hit, I have to I check back and I see that on the 4 time frame, we actually had that zone is actually testing an order block. So then we have a higher trade setup, which we are currently on the very we are already in this trade, and we are currently making massive profit already. Right? We are currently making massive profit, guys. So guys, that about that. All right, so that is that about that, and then we are expecting market to do well for us to make a very good a very good movement in this space so that we can be able to chop Gary and buy Gary and eat. You understand? So we can be able to buy Gary and feed because we are hungry. We are very, very hungry. So once this play to play out very well, so that we can eat Gary, we can able to eat Gary. So let me save this video. Let me save this particular chart pattern so that when we come back next time, we will check whether we are where we are. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Until then, and don't forget we have courses that you can get. The courses, if you know, if you want to learn how to analyze like this, how to see your charts in a different way, then you can hit me up on my Telegram channel, on WhatsApp, or anywhere, so you can get the course so that you can learn on yourself everything. The thing that I show you here is not everything you need to know. This is just the because of the chart I see. I explain it based on the chart I see. But there are other things we need to learn, the steps and the criteria you need to follow before you can arrive at this particular setup we just got right now. All right. So guys, you can get the 20 master class or the only one choose master class. These are the courses I use, and that is what is giving me set up right now. The courses you can get them now for $20, and that is crazy, guys. That is me giving you everything you need to know about the first market because you should learn about these two courses, 20 IK and the only one choose. If you learn it very well, you're going to be seeing the market in a different dimension. All right. You also have to get the the probabilities for master course is not available on purchase. All right, and you can get any of these courses for $10, and to get all of them, you can get them for $20 for now. Right, for now. All right, guys. Until then, I don't have to and don't forget to hit on that button. So subscribe on the channel, like the video, and put down a comment on the question below, and I will appreciate that and all that. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Until then, I'm Enjoy.